Psychologist Shaiman Aline state, bringing women into the board will increase diverse styles of thinking. It's 2016 and in the FTSE 100 there is not one company which has more female than male board members. In fact, there are companies such as Morrison's who have 0 females on their board. According to the head of the Women's Leaders Programme, World Economic Forum, women make up half of the human resources available to any country. If that half is not being channelled into the economy and not being made part of the decision-making processes, then that country's economic potential is bound to suffer by losing 50% of its capacity. As business leaders and policymakers seek to navigate their way through this current economic crisis, they need to aggregate talents of both women and men more than ever to come up with the best solutions. The form in which this work would take needed to encapsulate the issues the world is facing by not using a whole gender to their maximum potential. It needed to grab the attention of the viewer by a simple image or phrase. He-Salt theory was an important reference in building the work. This needed to be easily recognisable and understood. The viewer needed to be able to piece together how the outcome had come from the research. Standing out through similarity became important to the process. The wonky chair came from the idea that women can't get a seat at the table. She struggles from the start of education to her first step on the career ladder. Placed in a backdrop of normal chairs, the wonky chair would stand out from the crowd. The wonky chair would represent the woman in the boardroom struggling to get the seat. Colour theory has also had a role to play in the design decisions. When handling a project to do with male and female differences and stereotypes, choosing stereotypical gender colours such as pink and blue may have seemed like the right decision. Pink for a long time has represented all things female and feminine, so making the chair out of pink material may have seemed logical. The aim of this project is to get a seat at the table not because companies need to be seen as being fair with the employment percentages, but because companies need to realise females can offer a different, useful and competitive insight